Imagine this. NASCAR is throwing serious allegations at 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports, claiming they've been cooking up false stories. This latest twist in the ongoing antitrust lawsuit is turning heads and raising eyebrows. The saga of the NASCAR lawsuit has been a roller coaster ride of unexpected turns in recent months. Currently, it seems like NASCAR is gaining the upper hand. Now, they're aiming for a significant victory in the legal battle. Today, the legal team representing Jim France and NASCAR made a bold move. They filed a motion for an order to show cause, essentially asking the court to compel 23XI and Front Row to prove they didn't fabricate statements back in December 2024. Here's the juicy part. Defendants request the court to issue an order to show cause as to why 23XI Racing and Front Row Motorsports, Inc., collectively plaintiffs, and their legal counsel should not face sanctions for allegedly making false statements in their December 2024 declarations, and for supposedly fabricating evidence submitted to the court in support of plaintiffs' second motion for a preliminary injunction. NASCAR is also pushing the court to strike certain sections of Jerry Freese's errata sheet. The evidence presented by the attorneys is umfangreich, though heavily redacted. It includes messages from Rod Moskowitz, who represents Denny Hamlin, Bubba Wallace, and Corey Haim. Additionally, there are communications from Steve Lauletta, president of 23XI, Bob Jenkins, owner of Front Row, and Jerry Freese, the general manager of Front Row. But here's where it gets controversial. NASCAR alleges that an unnamed attorney for 23XI and Front Row orchestrated a scheme, instructing others to write emails to 23XI. They also claim a similar ploy involving Bob Jenkins, the owner of Front Row. In simpler terms, NASCAR is accusing 23XI and Front Row of fabricating evidence and statements to sway the court in their favor for a preliminary injunction last year. Want the latest updates? Subscribe to the daily On3 newsletter delivered to your inbox every morning. By clicking subscribe to newsletter, you agree to On3's privacy notice, terms, and the use of your personal information as described. In a fiery response to today's filing, Jeffrey Kessler, the attorney for 23XI Racing and Front Row, issued a statement. Unsurprisingly, the plaintiffs are vehemently denying NASCAR's accusations. This is nothing more than a baseless attempt to distract the court from the overwhelming evidence that Jim France and NASCAR have been running an illegal monopoly, harming not only my clients but the entire stock car racing community. The lawsuit is intensifying with the December 1st trial date looming. Currently, the teams are on the defensive. If the court decides to sanction the teams, it could be a devastating blow. Making false statements to a court can lead to severe penalties. So how will this dramatic situation unfold? What do you think? Do you believe NASCAR's accusations are justified, or are they just a strategic move to divert attention? Share your thoughts in the comments.